sisters to my channel Faisal Chico. As I said before in last video, I will have added a new chapter, not about Android interview answer question, but maybe you have more experience than any developer. For example, you are a project manager, but you develop also in Android. Then you must able to answer some question about work experience, different methodology that any project we can find in any project. So in this chapter I will answer a question about this. So let's start. It's about workflows. What are Agile methodologies? Agile software development is an approach to software development under which requirement and solution evolve through the collaborative effort of self-organizing and cross-functional teams and their customer. It advocates adaptive planning, evolutionary development, empirical knowledge, and continual improvement, and it encourages rapid and flexible response to change. Yes, some pressure. Yes. What is the Agile Manifesto? The Agile Manifesto is a set of values that Agile teams share. These are individuals and interaction over process and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. What is Waterfall? The Waterfall model is a software development process which emphasizes that as logical progression of steps be taken throughout the software development life cycle, much like the cascading steps down an incremental waterfall. What is Scrum? Scrum is an agile framework for managing knowledge work. With an emphasis on software development, it is designed for teams of 3 to 9 members who break their work into action that can be completed within time-boxed iteration, called sprint, no longer than 1 month and most commonly 2 weeks. Then track progress and replan in 15-minute stand-up meeting called daily scrum or daily meeting. What is Kanban? Kanban is an agile framework for managing and improving work across human systems. This approach aims to manage work by balancing demand with available capacity and by improving the handling of system-level bottlenecks. What is external programming? It's very hard. It's very hard. External programming, XP, is a software development methodology which is intended to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. It advocates frequent release in short development cycle, which is intended to improve productivity and introduce checkpoint at which new customer requirement can be adopted. What is test-driven development? Test-driven development, TDD, is a software development process that relies on the repetition of a very short development cycle. Requirements are turned into very specific test case. Then the software is improved to pass the new test only. That means test before to implement. What are solid principles? Solid is an acronym for 5 design principles intended to make software designs more understandable, flexible, and maintainable. These are single responsibility principle, open clause principle, risk of substitution principle, interface segregation principle, and finally dependency inversion principle. That's the final question. Thank you very, very much, brother and sister, to have followed all of this course. Now, I give you the choice for the next course to enter in real life. What is real life? To begin to develop a new application on Android step by step. But before to start this, as you know, in this Android interview question answers, I have begun by showing you how to develop Android application by Android Core. Also, we have Kotlin, and we have Ionic. I let you to choose now what is the next course, or with what method you want to develop. I develop this application step by step, because it will be a new course. It's for beginner. I will try to make this course for each person, or for newbie. He doesn't know what is Android application, how to start. He doesn't know what is Java programming. I will try to make this course for newbie, not only for developers that have some knowledge about Android or Java. That's my goals for the next course. Now choose. I will make a form in my website to choose the way to develop a new application of Android or the course. It will be a long course. I can tell you now, it's a very, very long course, I know, because the roadmap will be very long. I hope that you have passion about this. As I said, it's for all persons, for each person, newbie or person that have experience about Android or any other language programming. So thank you again, brothers and sisters. Don't forget to choose your response in the website in teamswinners.com, where you can find different resources about programming, more ebooks about also programming, and a lot of course about internet marketing also. Thank you again. See you in the next course, and goodbye.